Hey everybody, thought I'd do a quick video on strap locks, since I don't think I've done that. It's pretty simple, but for those that have never done it before, here you go, friends. Alright, so I had some silver ones on here, and I'm going to change them out to some gold ones. And this here is a pretty handy tool. It's a Bell bicycle tool, and it's got a selection of different sizes of things. Man, it comes in handy for guitar work. Even got a screwdriver on it. But yeah, see, I use it to get these suckers undone, and it works real good for the toggle switches and putting your knobs on. Great little tool. Remember that, man. Go to Walmart or something. Go to the bicycle section. Pick you up a little multi-tool for bicycles, man. Keep it in my little guitar box over there. And yeah, something I want to say about these too, man, is there's a certain way to put these things on. Like the little U. You want the weight of your guitar on this part here for safety. You know what I mean? Always safety first. So I'm going to replace this exactly the way I had it before. Put the gold one in here. And these are really nice quality deals too. That ought to do. Put that on your strap. Put your washer on there. Put the nut on there. Alright. Tighten her up. And you know, you can use pliers or something to hold this, or some people might, you know, just put a screwdriver in there, hold tension, but I just kind of do it by hand. It's not an automobile, you know what I mean? But yeah, this little tool works great, man. So when you do this, you know, you may have to get to this point, put it on your guitar, and see where it hangs. You know, make sure you get the weight of the guitar, like I said, on this portion. You know, there is a chance if you got the weight hanging on this side that, you know, malfunction somehow or another. Always safety first, man. So at this point, you know, after you get your little piece in, and you check it, make sure it hangs right. But I already pre-did that. I know where they need to be. So I'm just gonna put that on. And the same thing for the other strap. So I already know where they need to go, so I'm good. That's what I get for switching everything over to gold. I gotta monkey around. But they're not too difficult, and these things are definitely worth the money. You know. So if you don't have strap locks, get them, because I believe you need them. If you ever dropped one on the floor, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, cool little bicycle tool, man. Get this on here nice and snug, because sometimes they do have a tendency to kind of loosen up on you, so make sure you get these good. This one's gone. What's the deal? Cool. Check this one, make sure. Alright. Looks good. Now, you don't have to do this in this order. Now, I usually actually do start with my little strap pins first. And you know, they come with screws, but I found that you use the original screws, you're not boring that hole out to potentially two different thread patterns and making a big old sloppy hole in there. Nobody wants a big sloppy hole, right, guys? That's what I'm talking about. So I'll discard this. Okay. Put this little boy in there like that. Pretty simple. And yes, I'm a certified screwdriver technician. Got paperwork and everything. Those of you who don't know, man, I used to work on computers, televisions, phones, tablets. I just kind of fell out of love with computers and stuff and just working on guitars. But okay, oops. But yeah, you see how this works? You pull this little tab and it locks onto the guitar. Well, I'm not doing a good example there, am I? Okay. And that thing's on there, man, and it is not going to come off unless you pull this little tab and get it to come off. Well worth the money. I just got to poke this side on and should be good to go. Oh yeah, if you're wondering about the music in the background, it's 1978 here in the cabin today. We're hearing all kinds of crazy stuff. Alright, take this pin. What am I doing? Oh, and if you got the little rubber or felt pieces, yeah, by God, use those. Screw them in there. And yeah, these are really necessary for you guys that think you need to throw your guitars over your shoulders. You know what I mean? If you ain't got these, that guitar is done for on the wrong swing, man. But I tried that when I was a kid in my bedroom. Didn't know about strap locks, and man, I put that neck of that guitar right through a waterbed. Oh my God. I haven't tried to spin one around my shoulders since. That's just foolish. Looked cool in the 80s, but man, it ain't cool in real life. But, alright. Here's what we got. Remember, you just pull the little knobby, get the strap on. There it is, just like that. Best way to hang your guitar around your neck. It's not going to get unstrapped and fall to the floor when you're rocking out or anything. So, there you go, everybody. Strap locks. If you don't have them, you better get them. They're really, really worth it. Alright, you guys. Keep your guitar safe. Like, subscribe, share. God bless. Bye-bye.